Hello friends, Mrs. Walt here, today with your daily phonics lesson. And I'm excited to continue because we have already covered closed syllable type words, open syllable, silent E, and vowel team syllables. And last time we were conquering those consonant LE syllable types. Well, today we're going to put some of them all together and use that knowledge to read some multi-syllable consonant LE words. Are we ready? Okay, all right, here's my first one. If you'd like, get a piece of paper and then you can practice them later. Okay, so find my vowels. And hopefully you notice the one on the end has a consonant LE on the end. So I'm going to draw my little box around that. Okay. All right. So let's look at these different syllables. So I'm just going to cover up that consonant LE on the end. So the first one we have is a closed syllable. We've got, oh, stop covering it with my hand. We've got f, a, t, fot. Put them together, fot, pull, fot, pull, fot, pull. Funny pseudo word, silly. All right, ready for another? Okay, find your vowels. And hopefully you're noticing consonant LE, because my first thought was to want to look at this like a closed syllable, but then I see consonant LE. And when I see that, I know I'm going to divide the word like this. Okay, so look at the first syllable. What do you see? Open vowel followed by nothing. So O, vowel's going to say it's long vowel sound, low. Second syllable, we have a dol. Put them together, low, dol, low, dol. Who comes up with these pseudo words? All right, ready? How are we doing? Doing okay? All right. And I love my friends who are writing it down. That shows extra initiative. All right. So, find my vowels. Noticing that E on the end. Consonant LE, your brain should be thinking, ah. Draw my little box around it. And if it's consonant LE, I know to divide the syllable, or divide the word into the two syllables there. So let's look at the first part. Let me get a piece of paper so I can cover it this way and not cover it so much with my hand. So look at the first part. And hopefully you're thinking, ah, closed syllable. I see the vowel followed by a consonant. So I know it's going to say it's short vowel sound, or I think so. So, like itchy, m. Second part, cool. Put them together, lim, cool, lim, cool. All right, you're ready for more. All righty, here we go. Hopefully you're thinking, Mrs. Walt, this is too easy. Can I take over and teach this lesson? All right. You're right. Find the vowels. And I'm thinking consonant LE. Hopefully you were too. Consonant LE on the end. So remember, that tells me to divide the word down the middle. Two different syllable types we have going here. First one, let's look at it. Hopefully you're thinking closed syllable, Mrs. Walt. I know it's closed. So it's going to say it's short vowel sound, like the edge of my board. Okay, so let's say it, t, et, tet. And then our second syllable, we have that consonant LE, pull, pull. Say them together, tat, pull, tat, pull. tapple. Okay, let's see. I covered up my word list. That was not helpful. All right, here we go. And again, if you're writing these down, you can go back and practice reading them later. That's never a bad thing. All right. Okay, very good. You're thinking, find my vowels. And hopefully you're saying to yourself, consonant, L-E, my box around it. Okay, remembering that this is going to have a break here. So we've got two different kinds of syllables. We've got this one and this one. So this is a two-syllable word. Let's look at the first syllable. You're right. If you said scut, pat yourself on the back. You're right. And the last syllable type, gul. Put them together. We've got a scutgul. Alrighty. Next one. This one's a little trickier, but hopefully you're remembering the rule. What do you notice? We have a vowel team, that AY. Okay, remember it wants to say long A. Consonant LE there. Divide the word. And what's our pseudo word? We have may, gul, magel, magel. Rhymes with bagel. Okay. Find your vowels. Say to yourself, consonant LE. I see it. Dividing down the middle. Give you a second to think to yourself how you would say this. Okay, first part we have closed syllable. We've got a gat. Second syllable we have consonant LE, bull. Put them together, my friends, and we have a gatbull. All right, let's see. One more pseudo word, and then we're going to move on to some real ones. All right, here we go. Very good. Find those vowels. And hopefully you're saying to yourself, oh, you're not tricking me, Mrs. Walt. I see consonant LE. I know I'm going to split this word here. Two syllables, two vowels, two syllable types. Hopefully nobody's saying stone. That's stone. Nope. Not stone. Closed syllable. Like octopus with all those arms. Stan. Second syllable, pull. Put them together. Stan, pull. All right. Now to the real words. Now, if you already know the word because you've seen it before, wonderful. But I want you to look at the Y. Okay? So, find your vowels. And consonant LE on the end. Where am I going to divide it? Before that consonant LE. And you should be saying to yourself, oh, open syllable here. Vowel's going to say its long vowel sound. A. Stay. Second syllable, pull. Staple. The real word, staple. I need to staple my papers. Staple. Okay, let's see. This one. It's a little easier, I think. Find your vowels. And you should automatically say, well, two consonants in the middle. I already know I'm going to divide it. They're the same consonant, so I'm going to divide them right down the middle. I do have a consonant, L-E, so I know I've got a zol. Closed syllable, f, is, fizz. Put them together, we've got a fizzle, fizzle, fizzle. Sometimes when you pour soda, it will fizzle over the side. Isn't that annoying? Okay. A little bit of a harder blend going on here. Okay. We've got our vowels. Noticing consonant LE. Hopefully you're noticing that word. Am. Am. Scramble. 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 It's fun to scramble eggs. Scramble. When you mix them all up, scramble them. All right, ready? Okay. Hopefully you were noticing vowel team. Vowel team. When two E's go walking, they just say E. Consonant L-E. We got to pull. Divide them before the consonant L-E. We have a st-E. Pull. Put them together. The real word steeple. Like on the top of a church building, a steeple. Steeple. A little pointy thing on top of the steeple. Okay. How are we feeling about this? I got this. Can I please teach the next video? I hope that's what you're thinking. All right. Here we go. A couple more. And then we'll say goodbye for today. You guys are going to be pros at this. Okay. All right. So looking at the pattern, open syllable. So I know the vowel is going to say it's long vowel sound. Now here's the trick with the U. Sometimes it says oo. Remember, U, long U can say U or oo. So let's try it. Screw, screw. Here it sounds like a oo. Scruple, 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 scruple. That's a real word, scruple. All right, and the last one. Find your vowels. I know you're doing this right now. Thinking to yourself, consonant LE, got this, no problem. Give you a second to think what it is. Open syllable. We've got a bri, and we've got a consonant LE, dul. Put them together. Say it with me. Bridle, bridle. Like a horse wears a bridle around its face so that they can walk it around. Okay. All right. So we have hopefully mastered closed syllable, open syllable, silent E syllables. Those vowel teams are tricky. And consonant LE, pretty easy to notice on the end of a word. So remember, my friends, your job as you're reading today, and I hope you're reading at least 15 or 20 minutes every day, that you are attacking those words that you don't know and using those strategies. Thinking to yourself, what kind of patterns do I see in that word? Looking for those different syllable types, because that's how good readers sound out words that they don't know. Okay? All right. Bye for now, everybody. Have a super day, and I will catch you later. Bye.